All right, Rangers, I just blasted through about 10 or 11 sets of legs in about 15 minutes. I just did half of them. I can only do one side. I got to do the other side on this side of the jig. But rather than use the milling machine to do all these, since I got to do a bunch of them myself, I thought I'd write a program and have our CNC do some magic for us. So it's kind of fun to do. So now I got to jump over to the other side and do those, finish them off. All right, so we've got the mortises cut on all four legs for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 benches. Set up pretty fast when I did it with the CNC. So pretty happy with how that turned out. So now we need to have the long apron attached. Now I need to get the short aprons in and CNC those if they're not done yet, and start putting some of these together for you guys. At least dry fit, so you can glue them together and do it yourself.